Three words? Castigliano's curved beams. That's right. So I've secured the wire in a curve, and so it's in bending and it also has shear. It's going to push against to hold that jack in the wall. So thank you for your patience. For those of you who don't understand Castigliano's curved beam, I encourage you to take a few years and throw it with you. No, it's good to see you all. Okay, we're going to wrap it up. Here we go. Now, you guys are young enough so that when you see a picture like this, it is not that remarkable. The Earth, moon, that picture was taken from the surface of the moon, and you can see the Earth in the background because you are members of the space generation. Now, you know what you have to do to be a member of the space generation? You have to be born after the 4th of October, 1957. And there were people alive back then. Because what happened on 4 October, 57? Sputnik was the first human-made satellite tossed into space, orbited very, very well. From this clean, beautiful-looking, gigantic Soviet Union rocket. Yeah. And so you take pictures like the picture of the Earth from the moon, you take that for granted. It's a Guy-USF spacecraft. It has not just a camera, it has a high-resolution camera like modern HD television. So let's say, as members of the space generation, when you look at this picture of the sun, let's say that represents the sun. And this idea is very familiar to you. There's Mars, almost 400 million kilometers from the sun. Mercury, considerably less than that, and Venus. Now, you probably know, just anecdotally, whether you know anything about space at all, that Mars is very cold, crazy cold. If you get here, the surface of Mars, at the equator on a summer day, it's 0. So 0 Celsius, freezing. Yet right here on Mars, chest high or so, it's 20 below. Over your head, it's like 40 below Celsius. Because the Martian atmosphere is thin. If you go to Mercury, on the sun side of Mercury, it's hot. Hot. Because there's the sun right there. Only 58 million kilometers away. So that's nothing. You drive that far. But you'll probably drive 1 million kilometers in your life. That's not so hard. 58 million, that's hard. And the sun side of Mercury is quite hot. That might be 270 Celsius, 300 Celsius, something like that. With that said, Venus is even hotter. Really hot. And I hope you all remember playing this game. You know, when you can't step on the floor because it's like acid. And then like where the wood is, that's like lava. Yeah, and you can't go to the sink because the sink, this acid comes out of the sink. Well, on Venus, it's really like that. On Venus, it's 600 Celsius. On Venus, or 600 Fahrenheit, whatever it is, 350 Celsius. It's so hot. Oh man, after that guy is Bill, you're really, jeez, that's the word. It's so hot. Yes, thank you. That it would melt lead. If you could take lead there, it would be like a soldering iron everywhere. Then, they don't have acid coming out of the kitchen sink faucets. No, they have acid coming out of the clouds. The clouds on Venus are full of sulfuric acid, and it rains sulfuric acid rain. It's like Venus really is hell. So it's so hot on the surface that the sulfuric acid rain doesn't even hit the ground. It radiates so much heat that it evaporates before it hits the ground. It's crazy. Yet it is twice as far from the sun as Mercury. And of course, it's much closer to the sun than we are, but not enough. The difference between these two planets, these three planets, is the atmosphere. And furthermore, I hope you realize, that makes Mercury too hot. It's way too hot. Mars is too cold, but the Earth, my friends, it's Goldilocks, right? We have the dumb luck to live on this perfectly suited world. Perfect world. And this is what I call part of the joy of discovery. Joy of discovery. Joy. I digress for a moment. Imagine me digressing. Digress for a moment, talk briefly about my father. This is a picture of my father. He called himself Ed Nye, boy scientist.